Okay, let's talk about marketing. It is time for you to supercharge your marketing, get your customers, and scale to 10K a month. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay. I hope you are excited because I am too. Now, I'm going to challenge you. If someone watched you for a week, would they believe that you're serious, legitimate serious about your goals? It is time to change your life. Your family is depending on you. The weight of that is on your shoulders because no one is coming to do the work for you. Let's get down to it. So, welcome to marketing, all right? Marketing is the engine that grows your cleaning business. And in this module, you will learn exactly how to generate leads and build towards your first $10,000 a month cleaning company. Then, marketing is the CEO's most important job. You are the CEO. I need you to believe and see yourself in your mind's eye that you are the CEO. You are not a small business owner. You are the CEO of a cleaning company that you are going to scale to $20, $30, $40, $50, $100,000 a month, $1.2 million a year. I need you to see yourself. You are the CEO, okay? If you view yourself as a small business owner, you will always stay a small business owner. You are a CEO, okay? Your job is not to clean the outdoor houses. You know this. Your job is to generate customers. And until you reach your first 10K a month, you as the CEO should be spending the vast majority of your time marketing your business. Okay? Marketing. Marketing is quite literally the most important thing that you could possibly do for your cleaning business. Yes, there's operations. Yes, there's implementing AI and automation, BAs, sales, all that. It's marketing. Okay, here's why. Because when you market and you have more leads, okay, well, what happens when you have more leads? Well, then you get more quotes, right? You get to talk to more people. You get to give out prices to people. When you get more quotes, you get more bookings, right? Leads converting into sales, actual paying customers. Then you get more revenue. But where does more revenue begin with? Like if you want to do 10,000 revenue every single month, at 20,000 at 30,000, where does revenue begin from? It begins with leads up by the top. If you don't have leads, you can't close any sales. If you don't have any sales, you can't focus on operation. Marketing and leads is the most important thing for a business. Marketing is by the highest ROI. Everything else is secondary until you do hit $10,000 a month. I want that to be very clear for you. Some of you may be tempted to work on things that don't really move the needle in your business, okay? I am telling you, as someone who has scaled to $1 million, has dedicated the last 4 years of my life scaling cleaning businesses, I'll tell you right now, there's cleaning business owners who started at the same time as me. They're not as high as I am. Why? Because I focus all my time on marketing and getting more customers, while they focus on things that don't really move the needle, right? Try and improve those small processes here and there, but the things that are really important. You know what I mean? Okay. So let's go over the 4 ways to get leads and to market your business. This is taken straight out of a page from Alex Hermosi. There are 4 core ways to get leads for your cleaning business. Okay. There's a lot of different ways that you might think of, okay, maybe I can get leads by doing this, maybe I do this, maybe I do this. But ultimately, every way of getting leads falls into these 4 buckets. Number 1, cold outreach. Okay. Number 2, warm outreach. Number 3, paid ads. And number 4, content, posting content. Those are the 4 core ways overall to get leads for your cleaning business. This covers 99% of ways to get leads and market your business. Chances are your method that you're thinking of is going to fit into one of these buckets, okay? So everything that you learn throughout these courses fits into one of these. Got it? Okay. So let's go. We're going to go over each of the 4, and we're going to give you a little mini crash course on marketing 101 for your cleaning business. For those of you who are struggling to get leads, for those of you who are learning excited to get your first 5 customers, hit your first $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, it all starts here. So this is a mini crash course, marketing 101 for your cleaning business. Pay attention, okay? The first way to get leads is cold outreach. Very, very powerful, okay? Cold outreach means reaching out to people, businesses who have no idea who you are. It's cold, right? Completely cold, right? And the thing with cold outreach is it's completely free. Like you don't have to pay. You don't have to run paid ads. It's free to find these leads. And the best part is it gives you control over how many leads and conversations that you have with customers every single day, right? There's a saying, volume negates luck. Right? Volume negates luck. You can force luck to happen. You can quite literally engineer success to happen. Why? volume negates luck. Let's say that you have a pair of dice, okay?
And your job is to roll a 12. Obviously, rolling a 12 is very hard.
If you roll a pair of dice one time, are you going to roll a 12? No. If you roll a dice 10 times, will you roll a 12?
Maybe, but probably not. If you roll that pair of dice, 1,000 times, are you going to roll a 12? It's physically impossible for you not to roll a 12. You see what I mean, right? Volume negates luck. The more times you roll a dice, the higher of a chance you roll a 12. It's the same with cold outreach, okay? The more you reach out, the more leads you get. So, here are people that I have reached out to and who I recommend that you reach out to, okay? Realtors, real estate agent, very, very, very powerful person to reach out to. Construction companies. Man, have we printed thousands and thousands of dollars from construction companies because they all need cleaning companies. Property managers, people who control 50 Airbnb units at one time, or maybe they have an apartment building with 70 apartments, as well as apartment communities. There are so many people that you need cold outreach to. Now, keep in mind, there is a reason why they are cold. They don't know who you are. They have never heard of your cleaning company. You need to reach out to them and make yourself known. I cannot tell you how many thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that my cleaning company makes every single month in doing cold outreach, okay? And we will provide scripts for you in instructions later on. Right now, I'm just teaching you what cold outreach even means, okay? Next, we have warm outreach. Warm outreach is reaching out to people who already know who you are. They either know you or they know that your cleaning business exists. Now, these leads tend to convert at a really high rate because why? They know who you are, right? And so you can reach out to friends and family. You can reach out to referrals. You can go to local business networking groups. If you have a cleaning company, you can re-engage past customers who have used you before. That is the difference between warm outreach and cold outreach. Cold means that they have never heard of you before and they don't know who you are. Warm means they either know who you are, they know about your business, maybe someone referred your business over to them. You go to a business networking group so you know these people, right? These are warm leads. Obviously, put yourself in a customer's position. Let's say a random company gives you a call, right? And they pitch you their services. Are you likely to buy? Oh, maybe, but probably not, right? Maybe. But if you do warm outreach, are you more likely to buy if it's like your cousin who recommends you something? Yeah, probably, because why it's your cousin? You know who they are, right? So that is the difference between warm outreach and cold outreach. They both work, right? There are 4 ways that at least all 4 of them work. Each one comes with pros and cons, but right now, this is just marketing 101 crash course for what each type of lead getting is, okay? Now, let's go to paid ads. So, paid ads is the absolute fastest way, hands down, it's not even close, fastest way to scale cleaning business. And this is where platforms like Google LSA come in, Google cost per click ads, meta ad, right? Fastest way, hands down, it's not even close. Paid ads is the secret to scaling your business. Here's the thing. We live in 2026.
We live in the future, right? So, I mean, yes, in the past, did referrals and knocking on doors and everything did not work? I mean, yeah, it doesn't still work, of course. But we live in a day and age where everybody has a smartphone. Everybody's walking around with their face glued to their screen. Everybody's using Google. Everyone's using AI, ChatGPT and Claude, right? And so, paid ads, if you're not using paid ads, like you're screwed, okay? So, paid ads is all about investing money to make more money, okay? So, for example, right? You put in $1,000 into Google Ads on Google LSN. Well, yeah, you spent $1,000, but you got $3,000 back. Okay. So, I mean, let me ask you a question. Robinhood, the app that lets you buy and sell stocks for companies, right? If someone told you, hey, Daniel, you could go to Robinhood, and if you put in $1,000 into the stock and you get $3,000 back, would you do it? Of course, right? And the answer to that question is, well, how much money would you put in if you knew that you can get 3x return? The answer is as much money as you have, right? So paid ads is all about putting money in and getting money back, right? So when you do paid ads, it's very important for you to know your numbers. I will teach you how to track every lead, know your numbers and everything like that. You improve and optimize your ads and you repeat and scale your paid ads over and over and over and over again, okay? So as your business grows to your first 10K month, to your first 20, to your first 30K month, paid ad is not even paid ads is not something that's nice to have. It's mandatory. It is absolutely essential that you set up your paid ads ASAP. Paid ads is a cheat code. It's how I hit my first 10K, 15K, 20K, 25, 30, 50, 60K month paid ads, okay? You're not going to get into it without paid ads. Then we have the fourth way of getting leads, which is content, right? So think about it as organic social media content on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, right? And so there's a lot of places. LinkedIn is where, man, I've won so many customers from LinkedIn as well. But posting content builds authority, it builds trust, and it builds long-term awareness, and it builds customers up and long-term nurtures them, okay? So here's what I say with content. I view content as much more of a supplementary way of getting leads. I don't really look at content, typically speaking, as a primary way of getting leads. However, it really supplements what you have going on. So for them, if you're running a paid ad where you're doing cold outreach, people may look you up on social media. Well, in that case, that really helps your case because why? It shows that you are online, that you have a strong online presence, and that you are really active on social media. Okay, so in this program right here, we are going to be focusing on 2 of these lead sources. Why? Yes, do all 4 of them work? Absolutely. But for someone who's going from $0 to $10,000 a month, or $2,000 a month to $10,000 a month, or someone wants to add their first 10K, right? This is the playbook, okay? I've scaled so many cleaning businesses at this point. I know the secret formula. Follow this to a key, okay? There are hundreds of marketing strategies out there. We're going to focus on 2. Not because the others don't work, but because focus wins. I have here a picture of a horse with blinders, right? You know how racehorses, when they race, their eyes are covered so they can't even see the other horse. Do you know why that is? It's so they can only see the finish line. Because why? If they see the other horses, they're going to get distracted, right? They're going to get distracted from the end line, from the end goal, which is the finish line, right? I need you to be a racehorse and focus on these 2 platforms. Because when you try 50 different things at once, none of them end up working. So I need you to focus on these 2 methods, okay? Method 1 is getting cold outreach. This is the fastest way to create conversations without spending any money. You control exactly how many leads that you get. You can start literally today, like later today, an hour from now, you could start getting leads, okay? Then the other one, paid ads. This is the fastest, most predictable way to scale to 10K a month. Then after that, 20K a month, 30K a month, okay? When you combine these 2 combinations of getting leads together into one, you have created a lead system that is so powerful, it'll propel you to your first $1,000 a month, then to your first $5,000 a month, then to your first $10,000 a month, okay? So master these 2 first. Everything else comes after. You can do is after. Right now, just focus on cold outreach and paid ads. Yes, I know you will be tempted to try all the other ways of marketing. Focus like the racehorse, okay? Focus on these 2 methods, all right? So this is the lead gen formula, okay? Everything starts from marketing, okay? When you market your business and get your name out there, you get leads. When you get leads, you can give out quotes. When you give out quotes, those turn into booking. When you get bookings, those turn into recurring customers, which is the end goal here, right? You, as a cleaning business owner, you want to have recurring revenue on your books. Monthly cleans, bi-weekly cleans, quarterly cleans. You want as many recurring customers on your books as possible, okay? So everything starts from marketing. This is the reason why marketing is your number 1 priority every single day. Because if you think about it, well, when you are a CEO of a company, you're looking at your business. Do I focus on ops? Do I focus on improving sales? Do I focus on improving marketing? Well, here's the thing. If you don't market, there's nothing for you to sell. Like there are no leads. There are no customers for you to hop on the phone and sell to. So start from marketing. If you don't have anyone to sell to, well, you have no cleans to manage. And so this is not even worth focusing on operations or sales unless you first figure out marketing. Everything starts from marketing. Marketing is the most important thing that you should be doing. Okay, so here is your roadmap to $10,000 per month, okay? Number 1, this is your 90-day game plan, okay? So days 1 through 30, the first month, you are going to launch your business. Right now, you should have everything set. You should have had cleaners hired by this point. You should have your LLC, you should have your website, your business phone number, cleaners hired. You should have cleaners hired by this point.
If you are watching this video and you're like, I don't have cleaners hired, I need you to stop what you're doing and go back and hire some cleaners. Because here's the thing. One of the number one questions I receive is like, Daniel, shouldn't I go get some customers first before getting cleaners? Well, let me ask you this, okay? Let's say a customer calls you today and wants to do a move out clean tomorrow and they want to pay you $600. Are you able to fulfill that job and make it happen? No, because you don't have cleaners. That's why you need cleaners first, okay? You need cleaners, then you go to a customer, right? So first 30 days, that's where you set up everything. You start cold outreach. I need you to set up your Google business profile, set up your LSA profile. And your first 30 days is just to get your first 5 paying customers, okay? The first 30 days is like all setting up the foundation of a business, okay? Then in the next 30 days, if you just got your first 5 paying customers in your first 30 days, your goal in the next 30 days, by day 60, is to get your first $5,000 a month. This is the goal that you should hit. Then by the end of day 90, right, you need to pump up and scale your ads and pump up your cold outreach. Then you will hit your first $10,000 a month, okay? So in the next lesson, we are going to build your Google business profile. This is the foundation of your entire marketing system. I'm going to explain why. But this is the roadmap that you should be following. In the first 30 days, I need to go set up your Google profile business or Google My Business profile right now. Set up your Google LSA, start doing cold outreach, and just get your first 5 customers. That's in the first 30 days, okay? Then in the next 30 days, your first $5,000 a month. Then $10,000 a month. I know you joined this program because you want to do $10,000 a month, right? Well, think about it like this. You cannot do $10,000 a month if you have not first done $5,000 a month. Would you agree? Right? Well, you cannot do your first $5,000 a month if you have not landed your first 5 paying customers. Right? So we got to break it down and reverse engineer this process too. Okay? Well, you can't get your first 5 paying customers if you haven't set up your Google business profile, you haven't set up Google LSA, you haven't hired cleaners. So you have to first hire cleaners, set up your entire business, then go get your first 5 customers, then hit your first $5,000 a month, then hit your first $10,000 a month. This is all making sense to me now. Okay? Sense to you now. Okay? So in the next video, we're going to cover Google, but this is a quick crash course on marketing 101 for clean businesses. Let's go, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Let's get this going, and I promise you are going to be so successful. I promise you, I really promise you, you can do this, all right? Ciao.